Hello friends. So today I came up with a new video just about building lists in SwiftUI. So we're going to discuss something about list like this. Let me show you. So like this, lists like this, and yes, the list will show like this. So let's create a new project. Alright, so our new project is created. Now so let's create a new array. State private var mm, phone brands string, and let's add some brand names. For example, Apple. Then yeah. So for now they are absolutely fine. For testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, now 10 brands we have initiated, and there are many we can add, but not needed for testing. So let's add something here. List view. Okay, so text brand, right? And here let's okay. So let's go to documentation and see what they say. Yes, so this is list view. This is not list. This is going to be list. Okay, so you can see the list is appearing here, and this navigation stack and top from brands stack. All right, and here let's add within a v stack. Now okay, so we just tested for string, array of string, and showing them in a list view. So for normal array of strings, we don't need to set an ID, and we can set like id.self, and this will show like this. So for example, let's make it for brand text brand, and then let's see what can this. So within the list view we can navigate something like this: Apple, Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Google, Nokia, Sony, LG, and a lot of brands we can see, and we can navigate to details view for each of the brands. Okay, so now let's create another thing. Padding dot top. Yes. Now let's uh, extract one brand label, and for ID var ID UID, and then var name string, var released. Say, stock phone stock phone stock double, and let's okay, so var status boolean, so bool. Okay, now let's add there like this: phone stocks state private var, and let's comment out this, and let's comment out this for now. State private var. Okay, so let's initiate some brands. Okay, all right. Now these are enough for testing, and now let's see the list. Okay, so for brands id dot self not dot self, let's add id. Okay, and here dot id text, sorry, and here brand dot name, so it will show the same result. Let's check. All right, so you can see. Okay, so let's make something like link destination, so text details for brand, and let's create a new view. For example, mm, extract from brand view, and it will return some view. So var body some view, and then in this area we are going to show like this, and let's pass the form here, var phone brand. Now let's text name and the headline. Then okay, so we don't need this stocks, and then status. Okay, and then what do you have more? So these are enough. So and here we can destination, phone brand view. Okay, yes, now it will show like this, right? So let's customize something here as well. So let's create an h stack, and here are sorry h stack, and here let's add like text brand name, and then spacer, and then phone stocks. All right, so now you can see we are showing phone brands with how many stocks for each of the brands. And there's another thing, if someone is not available, then dot foreground color. Okay, so black, sorry, typo. And now let's see. So you can see here some brands status is true and some brands status is false. And let's make it true, and let's make false only two. Okay, so you can see the OnePlus is okay. So let doesn't make gray, and let make red. Okay, so red refers to out of stock. Okay, and this let's say green. Okay, so green is looking not good. Let's black was good. Black. And now let's see. So as Apple, Samsung and Motorola was available, they are showing black, and we can see OnePlus is not available, and the Google is not available, so they are showing out of stock, sorry, unavailable, and they are showing red. Here you can see status unavailable, and this one is also unavailable, and this available. Okay, so let's see. And as you saw, we we are showing in a H stack in the list view for details for each of the brand, their color based on their status, and their stocks, and whenever you click in each of the brands, you can see details for each brand. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. Okay, okay, nice. Now we can see Apple, Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, Xiaomi, Google. Okay, so Apple and Samsung, Motorola, and then OnePlus and Google also unavailable. Okay, so this was some basics about list view in SwiftUI. So thank you for watching. Let me know your comments and don't forget to subscribe.